Hello there, fancy seeing you here. I'm very glad you are, because today I'm going to show you this brilliant little Dacia Sandero. Yes, it is a Dacia Sandero. Really, really nice car. It's on an 18 plate. A couple of little marks in line with age and mileage, but it is being priced fantastically well. Check out our website for the latest prices. It's clevercarcollection.com. And in this video, I'll show you all around it, so you can see what to expect when you come here to the brilliant Clever Car Collection to give it a test drive. Let's take a look. So here we have it, our little practical and affordable Dacia, perfect for daily use. This car benefits from low insurance, it's just 04E, so a perfect first time driver's car this. It's going to come with a new 12-month MOT, you'll get a 3-month, 3,000 mile warranty as standard, or you can upgrade that to a 12-month one with our partners warranty-wise, if you so wish. It's got the 1-litre petrol engine, it's a 5-speed manual gearbox, fuel economy on the combined cycle of 53 miles to the gallon, and it's got 74 brake horsepower. We've got 2 keys for this car, it's got remote central lock-in, and it is ULEZ compliant. As you can see, it looks pretty good, doesn't it? It's a very nice little car, this. They're very, very affordable and very honest cars. That's what I like about them. Right, in terms of the details, there are a couple of marks on this. Just on the bonnet, little mark here, a couple of little stone, that's not a stone chip, a couple of tiny little stone chips there and there. There's a little crack in the bumper along the front there. Round to this side, a couple of little stone chips here and here. It's got 15-inch wheels with easy to replace hubcaps. Walking down the driver's side, a couple of marks on the door as you can see. Just the usual really in terms of car park dings. This wheel here, all looking good. A little bit of a dent there on the side. Walking around the back, there's a few marks here and here. It's got parking sensors here. One of them has dropped inside, but the system's still working perfectly. This wheel looking good. 5-door model this. A couple of marks here on this door, and a minor one just there. And this alloy wheel, not alloy wheel, sorry, this front wheel has got a couple of marks on it, but again, it's just a hubcap, easy to change. Right, let's jump inside. Right, jumping inside. Oh, it's rather warm in here because it's very hot inside. Very hot outside. Right, I'm going to start it up. Well, I haven't dropped the key, just to show you there's no warning lights on the dashboard. You can see it's just done over 68,000 miles. So in here we've got electric windows, you've got air conditioning, you've got a stereo with DAB, FM and AM. There's USB connection for that, and also you get MP3 connectivity. The car's got Bluetooth for you, so you can have a conversation on your phone, as is tradition. It's got a heated rear window and folding rear seats, and there's ISOFIX points in the rear there for a child seat. So yeah, nice simple interior. As you can see, no warning lights on the dashboard apart from the handbrake, which I've just put on and off there. 5-speed manual, and you've got a 12-volt power socket there, and 2 cup holders for your vanilla lattes from Costa. Right, in terms of, oh my god, sorry. In terms of service history, this car has got, I'm just going to hold it. This car has got a good history. I'm just going to read out what it's had. Previous services, so it's a 2018 car. Previous services in 2019, 2020, 21, 22, 23. And an independent service in 2024. So a full service history of this car. It has just been serviced by our independent workshop. It comes with a new 12-month MOT. And as I said, you can have a 3-month, 3,000 mile warranty as standard, or you can upgrade to a 12-month one with unlimited mileage with our partners warranty-wise, if you so wish. We offer nationwide delivery on all of our cars. Please get in touch with us for a quote for that. And while you're online, please check out our reviews. We're very proud of our 5-star reviews on Auto Trader and on Google, and very much look forward to giving you exactly the same treatment when you come here to give this brilliant first-time driver's car a test drive. Now, if you want to do that, I'm James. It's James at clevercarcollection.com. That's my email address. Check out loads of pictures of this car on our website, clevercarcollection.com. I hope this video has been useful. Thank you very much for watching it. Look forward to seeing you very soon. Goodbye.